Hi, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. NEET Biology Diagram Based Technical Term Part 9. Today they are discussing the topic about organism and populations. Important terms: adaptation, structural and functional characteristics of an organism which enable them to survive and reproduce in a particular environment. While considering the various alternatives available to organism for coping with the extreme in their environment, we have seen that some are able to respond through certain physiological adjustment, while others do so behaviorally, that is, migrating temporarily to a less stressful habitat. These responses are also actually their adaptation. So when we can say that adaptation. Another one, estivation, the state of some animal of spending dry hot period in an inactive state. Another one, camouflage, matching of color of some animal with their surrounding so that they remain unnoticed by the prey or the predator. The ability of some animal to blend with the surrounding. Another one, carrying capacity, the maximum number of individual which our environment can support or sustain. Climate, average weather of an area including general patterns of atmospheric seasonal variation and weather extremes. Another one, competition, the process in which the fitness of one species is significantly lower in the presence of another species. When Darwin spoke of the struggle for existence and survival of the fittest in nature, he was convinced that interspecific competition is a force in an organic evolution. It is generally believed that competition occurs when closely related species compete for the same resources that are limiting. But this is not entirely true. Firstly, totally unrelated species could also compete for the same resource. For instance, in some shallow South American lakes, visiting flamingos and resident fishes compete for their common food, the zooplankton in the lake. Secondly, resources need not be limiting for competition to occur. In interference competition, the feeding efficiency of one species might be reduced due to the interfering and inhibitory presence of the other species. Demography, the scientific study of human population is called demography. Another one, ecological niche, the range of conditions that a particular organism can tolerate, the resources it utilizes and its functional role in the ecological system. Ecology, the study of reciprocal relationship between organism and their environment. Ecology at the organism level is essentially physiological ecology, which tries to understand how different organisms are adapted to their environment in terms of not only survival but also reproduction. You may have learned our planet around the sun and its axis cause annual variation in the intensity and duration of temperature, resulting in different seasons. Another one, ectotherm. Ectotherm means cold-blooded animal. The animal whose body temperature tend to match with the environmental temperature in which they live. Another one, emigration, the permanent movement of individuals out of a population. Next one, endotherm. Endotherm means warm-blooded animals. The animal whose body temperature tends to match with the environmental temperature in which they live. Environment, surroundings in which organism live. Ecology as the organism level, essentially physiological ecology, which tries to understand how different organisms are adapted to their environment in terms of not only survival but also reproduction. Another one, habitat, place occupied by an organism or population or community which is exposed to particular combination of environmental factors. Hibernation, the state of some animals of spending winter in dormant condition. Another one, home range, an area where several members or breeding groups of a species roam about during search of food, water and mate. Another one, immigration, the permanent entry of individual into a population from outside. Next one, migration, movement of animal from one region to another with respect to food and weather at a definite interval, which always include their return trip. The organism can move away temporarily from the stressful habitat to a more hospitable area and return when stressful period is over. In human analogy, the tragedy is like a person moving from Delhi to Simla for the duration of summer. Many animals, particularly birds, during winter undertake long distance migration to more hospitable area. Every winter, the famous Kolodio National Park, Bharatpur in Rajasthan, hosts thousands of migratory birds coming from Siberia and other extremely cold northern regions. Mimicry. Mimicry refers to the close resemblance of two species in which the species palatable to its predator is called mimic and the species to which is resembled is called model. So the mimicry is the phenomenon of modification in a living organism so as to resemble which one another organism or some non-living object to escape predation. Another one, mortality, the rate at which individual die in a population. Mortality is the number of deaths in the population during a given period. Mutualism, an association of two species in which both species are benefited. It may or may not involve close physical association. The interaction confer benefits on both the interacting species. Lichen represent an intimate mutualistic relationship between fungus and photosynthetic algae or cyanobacteria. Similarly, the mycorrhiza are association between fungi and root of higher plants. The fungi help the plant in the absorption of essential nutrients from the soil, while the plant in turn provide the fungi with the energy yielding carbohydrate. Another one, natality, the rate at which new individuals are added to a population by reproduction. Natality refers to the number of births during a given period in the population that are added to the initial density. A range of tolerance, range or gradient of an environmental factor which determines the existence and abundance of an organism. Another one, resilience, the ability of population to tolerate changes in the environment. Next one, xerophytes, plants of serry habit. So the plants are grow in the dry habitat. Additional information: aquifer, stratum containing groundwater. Water table is upper layer of groundwater. Next one, ecological equivalent, different organism occupying similar niches in different geographical areas. Next one, parasitoids, organism which live as parasite in larval stage but become free living later on. Example, Trichogramma. Parasitoids is used to control crop pest. Next one, oxylophyte is otherwise called oxyphytes, plants growing in acidic soil. Another one, eremophytes, desert plants found in desert and steppes. Another one, chrysophytes, plant growing in shallow soil or wasteland. Another one, psychrophytes, plant growing in cold soils. Next one, chasmophyte is also called chasmophil, plants growing in the rock crevices. Next one, chasmocophytes, plant growing on detritus present in rock crevices.